Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, we're going to see how to crochet a very easy scarf. You'll be repeating just 2 rows. You can find the written pattern in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. This scarf measures about 8.5 inches wide and I made it about 52 inches long. I used about 275 meters of light worsted weight or category 3 yarn. This is for a 52-inch long scarf. If you want to make a longer scarf, you'll need more yarn. And I used a 4.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. First, make a slip knot and work 47 chains. These chains are in multiples of 14 plus 5. So I made 42 chains plus 5 additional chains, which makes 47 chains. Let's start the first row. Skip 4 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now work a double crochet into the next chain. The skipped 4 chains will count as a double crochet and 1 chain. Now we'll start the repeats. Make 2 chains, skip the next 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then into the next chain make a double crochet, then 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains, double crochet, again 2 chains and double crochet all into the same chain. You have 3 chain 2 spaces. And now make 2 chains. Skip the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next chain work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. This is called a V-stitch. You'll repeat these stitches across. First make 2 chains and then skip the next 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then into the next chain work double crochet, then 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains, double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet, so that you have 3 chain 2 spaces worked into the same chain. And then make 2 chains, skip the next 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the next chain work double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat the stitches one more time. We'll start the second row. Make 4 chains, turn and work a double crochet in the first space, And now let's start the repeats. Make 2 chains and into the second chain 2 space, work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet. You have 2 chain 1 spaces and then make 2 chains and then a double crochet into the same space, then chain 1, double crochet into the same space, again chain 1 and double crochet into the same space. So here you have 2 chain 1 spaces, a chain 2 space and 2 chain 1 spaces. Then make 2 chains and into the chain 1 space of the next V-stitch, make a V-stitch. You'll repeat these stitches across. Make 2 chains and then into the next chain 2 space, work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and one more double crochet, and then make 2 chains and into the chain 1 space of the next V-stitch, work a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat these set of stitches one more time. Next is the third row. Make 4 chains, turn and work double crochet into the chain 1 space. And now we'll start the repeats. Make 2 chains and into the next chain 2 space at the middle, work double crochet, then chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. So we have 3 chain 2 spaces worked into the chain 2 space in the previous row. Then make 2 chains and work a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of the next V-stitch. Repeat these stitches 2 more times. Chain 2 and into the next chain 2 space, work 3 chain 2 spaces. Then make 2 chains and work a V-stitch in the next V-stitch. Just repeat rows 2 and 3 as many times as you want. Make it as long as you want, and then I'll show you how to finish it so that you have a straight edge instead of the curved edge. I finished with the row where you have the 3 chain 2 spaces, and now make 4 chains and work a double crochet in the chain 1 space, and then make 6 chains. Make a single crochet in the second chain 2 space, then make 6 chains, V-stitch in the next V-stitch, six chains, single crochet in the second chain 2 space, 6 chains, V-stitch in next V-stitch. Repeat one more time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. You can find the written pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Thank you.